Welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we are going to discuss about the scholarship which is provided by the Swedish Institute and it's in the Sweden, and we have this global professional scholarship right now, and almost 41 countries are eligible for this scholarship, and it's for the masters. We will discuss about this scholarship in a while. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you already have subscribed, do press the bell notification icon, and also follow us on Instagram page, and our username is Full Scholarships. The link for this Swedish Institute Scholarships 2023 is given in the YouTube video description. Check out the link below the video, and the apply link is given in the description. Click on that link and it will take you to our website here, or you can also check out the link in Instagram bio here, or you can scan the QR code on the posts here and it will take you directly to the same scholarship that you are looking for. Also, you can visit our website directly, fullscholarships.net or cashmelook.com. And once you are redirected on our website, once you reach here, you can check out the details that Sweden scholarships without IELTS is there. And some courses may require the IELTS, but most of the courses do not require. It's an optional. If you have, you will be preferred over others. And study in Swedish Institute. This is a opportunity for the international students in the session 2023 and 2024. And this is one of the top and well regarded awards in the world, and they provide this scholarship. So almost 350 scholarships are given to overseas students, and priorities are given to few subjects, and rest each and every one get scholarships. So we have other details listed on this website, you can read them. So we have just taken these information from the official website, you can cross check as well there. So some eligible regions that are listed are here, and then you can check the eligibility criteria, everything is mentioned here, and then you have the benefits. After that you have the requirements, and the application process is there. So till they have some slots, like let I will show you that. So in order to start applying, you need to click on, so you have the deadline for this scholarship up to the 28th of February, so this month end you have the scholarship deadline. So to apply, click on this link here. At the end there is a link, click on this. Once you click on that, it will take you directly to the Swedish Institute Scholarship, the page that has information on it. You can check open for applications until 28th February. Overview, what's included, criteria, how to apply, each and every detail is there. So simply click on this, how to apply. Once you click on that, it will take you to this timeline. So you can check 17th October to 16th of January 2023. You had the application program open for the master's program, so you had to apply between these deadlines. So once it was complete, then the application was open for the 10th Feb to 20th Feb. So around 18 days the application is open for the scholarships. Right now you can check the line is at the 2. After that you will have the screening, notifications and final results. So right now the application is open for the global professional scholarships. So to apply for this scholarship, click on this second step link here. So once you click on that, it will take you to this apply for a global professional scholarship, and first you have the details here. So after you have completed your application to master's program, you can apply for a Swedish national scholarship and see more information about the required documents and criteria here. So submit the required document digitally through our online portal. The portal is opened from 10th Feb to 28th Feb, so you can check. So you can access the portal here. So click on this link here. Once you click on that, you can check Swedish Institute, and this is the global professional scholarship portal, where you can go and log in and you can fill the details. So you can check all details are here, and let me zoom in the screen. So you can check on the right hand side there is the sign in and register button, as well as other information is there. So you can check welcome to SIS scholarships, a global professional application portal. Information is there, so you can check all details are here. In order to start applying, you need to click on this sign in register, or on the top right there is also sign in register. So you can also select a citizenship country first at the list. So suppose you had any of the lists here, so you can choose your country. Suppose I'll go with the I'll go with this Nepal, as many students were asking for the Nepal. So I'll choose that. So you can check that now it's set on the Nepal. So in order to start registering or sign in, so click on this sign in here, and after that you have to wait for a few seconds. So you can check if you are a new applicant, you have to click on this I am a new applicant and just register with your email. If you already have registered like I had done this, you can simply use the same detail and click on this login, and once you are on this you can use the password that you have generated for the email, and then click on this login sign in button here and wait for that. So you can check now that we had successfully logged in, and you don't have any applications right now, so we don't have any applications. In order to create one application, you need to click on this continue to create an application, and now you need to select the institution. So choose specific institute. So right now we are going for the Swedish Institute, so you can check it's listed here. Okay, you can click on this find programs directly so that we can find a program. So suppose you go with the program, suppose I'll go with this. So actually this had to be related to your applications that you had made in the study link portal. So let me go to the study link portal once and check that. So here is a study link portal, so that I don't remember the application that I filled. So you can click on this login without DGD. Email and password is already there where we signed up. If you are new, you can sign up there, but right now application is only open for the scholarships. So you can check out the universities there, so you can check different universities are there. So let me check which university is there. Radboud University is there. So let me check out the details for the university first. So after checking details, if you had applied for this Swedish Institute University or Swedish Institute, then only you can click on this my applications, and then your programs will be shown here and you have to apply. As we didn't submit application at the end, we just created a draft and we had not submitted yet. So still I will check if you had submitted the application for Swedish Institute, your application should appear here. And right now we cannot apply for admission, only the scholarship applications are there. So if you had done the process for the if you had done the process for the admissions, you can access the scholarship part right now, and I had not completed that, so my profile is not showing any applications as I had not submitted any of the scholarships, any of the applications. That's why here. So if you had submitted any other institution, suppose let me check that I had done one application with the Uppsala University. If it is showing there, KTH Royal Institute also I had done application. So you can check Uppsala University. So if you click on that institution, so applications will be there. Let me find programs with that. So actually study link is not the for the Sweden, so that's for the Netherlands. You have to check out the universityadmissions.se and then simply click on login with the same details that you had signed up, and once you log in you can check the applications are there, and you can check different applications are there. So this is for the program, and let me check the Uppsala University or the Swedish Institute, so you can check this is from the Kalmar University and this is the Uppsala University, and then you have other applications as well. So you have to look out the university that you had submitted for the Swedish Institute. So let me check out that. So I had not submitted any application to the Swedish Institute, as it's not showing in my applications as well. I had just created draft, and drafts are not accepted automatically, so until you submit them. As if you had submitted the application to the Swedish Institute, then you have to only click here, and then you have to follow the information, and then you can have your application here, and that will be shown on your dashboard as well. So if you had submitted the application for the Swedish Institute, you have the applications here, so you can submit that. Your application will be shown here. And if you had not submitted, so it won't show, it won't appear on your screen. So you can find your programs if there are any specific programs. So right now application is not open for the admission, it's only open for the scholarships. And do not get confused about this. So this part is not open right now, so only those students who have filled the application for this step 1 will be having their applications in this portal. So if you have not done step 1, you won't see step 2 here, so that's why it's not showing on my screen. Rest, we have done some other processes with same scholarships, so you can check out our previous videos. So there is some reference of letters, so they have some formats here, so you can check out the format, letter of reference, then you have the proof of work experience, then you have to submit the passport as well, so your CV. So they have all the formats here, so you can download these formats and you can just check out them and replace them with your names and details and then submit. So I had just opened one of the letter of reference here, so you can download it here from the link directly. So if your application is showing in your dashboard, if you have submitted in your application on universityadmissions.se, then only you can submit the application for this scholarship. So you can check, this is the letter of reference and the format is there, all details are there. So you can check requirement, authenticity, submission, everything is there. So you can just directly get the details and just replace with your own details and then submit. So do subscribe, do check out our previous videos. So if you had submitted the admission application in step 1, then only you can submit the application for scholarship in step 2. So those who have completed step 1 can now do the step 2, and then you have the screening and results. I hope this information was helpful for you. Meanwhile, there are only 4 days left for the Turkey scholarship. If somehow the rumors are that a deadline will be extended after 28 Feb, so there is no optional notification yet, but some there are some like notifications there out, and they are saying that the application for Turkey bursary is going to extend, but I don't think so. And you have the ISDB scholarship for Turkey as well, so do submit. It's 20 February deadline for the Turkey, so do submit that and remember to submit the application. Hope you enjoyed this session. Do subscribe. Have a nice day ahead.